Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kid. As always, my name is Dion, here to push your financial mindset to a better reality. And today, I will give you 6 real ways to make money online. If you are part of this community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. Maybe this is your first time around here. Please hit the subscribe button right away for personal finance and other money tips. Subscribing is free. Doesn't cost you anything, and it does help a lot. So if you're one of those people that have spent countless of hours searching for ways to make money online, guess what? You're not alone. I know I have spent many hours trying to figure things out myself, and this is why I will show you how to make money online so you don't have to waste your time. It is funny how many people still trade their time for money. You go to work from 9 to 5, you get paid X amount of dollars, and you're done. Well, the problem with this approach is that you have only so many hours in a day that you can physically work, which means you're limited to how much income you can make. What if you could spend a few hours doing something you love and it generates you income down the road without you having to do much about it? That would be sweet, right? You can make money while you sleep. Well, I have 6 of those methods. You can generate income online right away. And please keep in mind, none of those are get rich quick ways of making fortune, okay? But after some time, whichever method you start working on will start generating you some real income. So without further ado, the first thing on the list today is YouTube. And by the way, there is a book I would recommend also for you. It's Make Money Online by Michael Green, who talks about 12 different ways you can start making money online. It is a great read that if you want to give it a try, the link is down in the description. So yes, YouTube is a great way of making some extra money online. It doesn't cost you really anything unless you need to buy some recording equipment, which if you have a smartphone, well, that works just fine. I am recording this video on my smartphone right now without any extra equipment except the light. You're watching this video, which by the way, I would really appreciate if you like it real quick. And as you watch this video, you've probably noticed some annoying ads, right? Either at the beginning, maybe interrupts the video in the middle, or they pop up at the end. I don't know how YouTube displays them, but yes, every time you see an ad, YouTube shares that revenue with the video creator, in this case, me. Now, it does take a few hours to produce and upload a video, but after that, it's pretty much set it and forget it. Over time, as people watch your content, you still get paid. So if you have a passion of some sorts, well, document it and upload it on YouTube. After all, you can find almost anything and everything here on YouTube that people upload and watch all the time. If you need help starting a YouTube channel, I'm more than happy to help you. Just reach out at thefinancekid.com, send me an email, and we can communicate and get you started. Now, maybe you don't feel comfortable in front of the camera, so you don't want to start recording yourself, but you still want to share your knowledge. Well, in that case, you should go for an online courses. So, if you're a master of something, trust me, there is a demand and there are people out there that would need your knowledge. There are plenty of online platforms you can create online courses on, or maybe even start your own website for free. With access to tools like Skype, video conferencing, and webinar technology, you can provide one-on-one calls or even group coaching calls and start your online course right away. So put together a course which takes a few hours, market it online, which will make you money even when you sleep. Now, for something a little more complex, for more experienced online savvy folks, Google AdSense. Yes, Google AdSense is still one of the best ways to make money online. Basically, you need a website, with the traffic to utilize the Google AdSense programs for placing banners and ads. As people visit your website or blog, they see the ads and you are getting paid. Again, it is something that requires very little work, but can generate income for as long as you have traffic on your website or as long as you're posting fresh content. What do you think so far? Have you tried any of those methods of making money online yourself? Let me know down in the comments, please. The next thing on the list, and probably one of my favorite ways of making money online, is stock market trading. Yep, that's true. Stock market trading can make you a lot of money over time. And again, it is one of those things you don't really need to spend hours upon hours every day. Well, unless you're a day trader, that is. Most of the people are scared to invest in the stock market, mostly because they have minimal knowledge, which makes them feel uncomfortable, or they think you need a lot of money to get started. And no, you don't need a lot of money to get started. And no, you don't have to be a finance major or something like that to trade online stocks. I have a link below in the description for a platform called Robinhood. You can join for free. You will get a free stock if you use the link, and with as little as $50, you can start investing in stocks. Easiest way to generate money is to pick a good, solid companies that you know and you believe in. Some examples would be Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and many other so-called blue chip stocks. Buy some shares. You don't even have to buy a full share. You can buy fractions of a share with Robinhood and simply watch your money grow over time. And I will add another method of how to make money online that might be for more experienced online marketers, and that is affiliate marketing. Very similar to Google AdSense in a way, and also one of the most popular ways of making money online these days. You see, with affiliate marketing, you're sharing products and services that someone else has already created. All you need to do is properly market them so people can sign up from your affiliate link and you make small commission. I will give you a great example for that. You can make up to $200 right away if you open a Chase bank account using the link down in the description. You see, that is an affiliate link. If you use it, it doesn't cost you anything. On the contrary, you will make money off of it. And in addition, I will receive a small commission as well. So it's win-win for everybody. So if you have a website or a blog already, maybe you have a YouTube channel started or any other platform that you utilize, then you can share some affiliate links and make extra money. And lastly, I would like to suggest you, if you're multilingual, to explore the option of language translations online. You see, I speak Bulgarian, Russian, and English. So when I did this, it was something I enjoyed a lot. People out there need all kinds of things translated. Schoolwork, books, articles, even science materials. This is more of a time-consuming method that will not generate income over time unless you're actively translating for someone, but it is an easy way to make some extra money. You can try the platform I used. It's called Django. The website is django.com. It's right here, and see if this is something that's a good fit for you. So in conclusion, you have 6 different methods you can make money with online. I have tried all 6. They do work, and I'm personally still doing 5 of them. I no longer translate online. Again, it does require some initial time investment and work to make all those profitable. But once you gain some traction, the money just keep coming in, and you simply need to maintain quality. Let me know if you need any help. I will be more than happy to help you get started. And you can reach out directly to me at thefinancekid.com. I appreciate you watching this video. I hope you're staying safe. please hit the like button. And as you know, I will continue to bring you daily updates as soon as physically possible with working around the clock for you. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you today. Like and share so more people can see it. And again, don't forget, down in the description, some affiliate links and some other helpful links for you as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset to a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.